Hi, I'm Tan Kang, one of the group member. So our group have 4 people, Hakun, Jeremy, me, and Junwen. I'm going to introduce my part about topology. So I'm going to share my screen first. Okay. So now we have 4 routers, 6 switches, 73 computer, and 4 server, 1 clouds. So we have physical and logical topology. So what is physical is actual layout of device and cable. Logical is for explain how the flow between the everything. No worry, I will going to explain it. So we got 2 labs and 1 lab have 25 PC. So 1 lab, the switch connect to run all the 45 computer as same as the second lab. So if there's a failure, the computer will be problem lah. So the advantage is to help the switch is to help to complement consistent network policy across all networks, and the advantage for large redundancy and fault tolerance. So let's see the router. Routers support all the different Wi-Fi standard. That's why we put it at the middle. It can help to connect all to the others, as you can see. So the advantage is to create the separate network to improve the security and traffic management. So the advantage if it's fail, all the entire network will go down and fail together, and this will be a problem. So now let's see the server part. So you can see all the one switch and all the servers. So you can see is actually it's help to secure to run the connectivity, and advantage is the switch is properly configured with features like VLAN, ACL, and port security. It can enhance the security by isolating server traffic and preventing unauthorized access. This potential can rely on proper configuration. And then the advantage is network traffic between server must pass through all single switch. You can see here. So if the network traffic is high, the switch can become performance problem. That means slowing down in communication between the server. And now next to the nearby fit, the intranet switch. So this logic is a logical start. The tutorial group using IPv6 address and the admin group having the additional at this admin device. The advantage for this is a fault isolation factor. If one device failure, it generally doesn't affect the rest of the network. And its advantage is a limit scalability. For example, by adding device is easy, there are limit how many devices a single switch can support. At least for largest network or complex hierarchical network, the design would be needed. And now let's see the cloud. Okay, so you can see the cloud, one router and switch and server. So SMP router connect to all the switch and the cloud devices with a server also connected to a IPv6 address are shown for the router switch and router servers link. The advantage of the ISP router is help to provide network access to external resources. The advantage is the ISP router is a single point of failure. If it's failed, the entire network will lose the internet connectivity together, and the internal communication between the server and other connected device will be effective. So let's see the access point at here. So the access point, the PC and the letter are connected to wireless through an access point with the assigned IPv6 prefix. So the most advantage is the mobility because it can move around within the wireless coverage area without losing network connectivity. And then the advantage is security problem. Wireless network inherits more vulnerability to security breach than wired network, of course. Without proper execution, unauthorized user can potentially access the network and intercept data. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kodruwan, and today I will introduce our network hardware. First of all, we use Power HR7615 rack server. It offers high performance. It has 4GB 4th Gen AMD EPYC processors and up to 4 TB DDR5 RAM. It also has scalable storage options. It is ideal for demanding workloads like AI, data analytics, and virtualizations. Next, we got the 42U server rack. It is a floor-standing cabinet with lock and wheels designed for network equipment. It offers ample space and mobility. Next, we'll talk about the router. We got Asus TUF AX6000. It has gigabit LAN ports, 2.5 gigabits port, and open net for optimized gaming performance. Besides that, it also has AI protection for enhanced security. Next, we'll talk about the switch. We use TotalLink SW34G2 to connect device within a local area network. It helps to reduce collision and ensure efficient communications by directing traffic only to the intended recipients. And for the next thing, we have MikRotic Cloud Router Switch. It is used for managing and delivering network functionalities. It enables scalable, flexible, and on-demand connectivity across devices, applications, and environments in our project. Next, for the PC, we have HP Pavilion 24 CA1012D. It is a all-in-one PC. It has sleek design and powerful performance, which we use for the project. And next, we'll talk about the cooling system. We use WTEL 12.5 to 60 kW in row precision air conditioners cooling system it provides. And also, it is a cooling system with fans, heat sinks, and temperature sensors to ensure heat dissipations and maintaining optimal operating temperatures. Next, we use 10 gigabytes dual port SFP. It is a network interface card with Intel X7110 BM2 controller. It enables us to connect the servers and control peripherals like modems, printers, and others. Next, we are looking at the Emerson DS460S -3-002. It is a power supply that offers 460 watts. It is used to maintain and secure server system in our project. Next, I will introduce our cabling and sockets components. We use Belden 7923A Cat6 for its solid copper cable design. It is used to increase conductivity, less signal loss, and longevity. It is designed for long-term usage. Next is the X.21 DCE cable. It is used to connect routers and other serial devices. It is created with high quality material and sturdy PVC covering to ensure the long-term usage. As we'll be looking at Cisco NIM40, it is excellent in WAN connecting. It provides 4 high-speed serial ports, supporting a variety of protocols. And for the software, we are using Cisco Packet Tracers 8.2.2. It is a Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2 is a network simulator program that is free to use and let students build and debug without buying actual Cisco hardware. So that's why we are using the Cisco Packet Tracer for our project. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pan Ming. Now we are talking about network configuration. For the network configuration, I will explain what method we use for this configuration. First one is DHCP-V6, which stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol for IPv6. DHCP-V6 is a network protocol used to assign IP address and other configuration information to device on an IPv6 network. Unlike its predecessor, DHCP-V4, DHCP-V6 supports the larger address space of IPv6, allowing for more efficient and scalable network management. It operates in two modes, stateful and stateless. In stateful mode, the server maintains a database of IP address assignments, while in stateless mode, it provides configuration information without assigning specified IP address. This protocol is essential for modern networks as it simplifies the management of IP address and ensures devices can communicate effectively. In this figure, we are using stateful mode to get our IP address. The next one is OSPF-V3, which stands for Open Source Path First Version 3. OSPF-V3 is a routing protocol used for IPv6 networks. It is an enhancement of OSPF-V2, which was designed for IPv4. OSPF-V3 uses link state information to make routing decisions, ensuring efficient and reliable data transmission across the network. One of the key features of OSPF-V3 is its support for IPv6 larger address space and improved security features. Additionally, OSPF-V3 separates the concept of a router identity from its IP address, allowing for more flexible network design. This protocol is widely used in enterprise and service provider networks due to its robustness and scalability. Then next one is frame relay. Used for connecting LANs and transferring data. It uses virtual circuits for efficient data transmission and is known for its simplicity and cost effectiveness. Then next one is ACL. Full name is Access Control List. Are rules used to control network traffic and restrict access. Standard ACL filtered by source IP address, while extended ACL filtered by source and destination IP protocol and ports. ACL are essential for network security, preventing unauthorized access. Okay, that's all for my presentation part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tan Hao Kun. So for my part is to verify the ping inside the project. So first I will do the random verify ping first. The wireless successfully and successfully. Okay. After that, I'm going to talk about the ISP part. So the ISP server means that is the internet supplier. So we can use the device to connect the ISP resource. So ISP resource and also the campus resource www.u.edu.net. Okay. So after that, due to the requirement, the guideline. So for the wireless part and also the tutorial and also the admin part, we cannot access the ISP resource. So that when we try to access the ISP server, like just now, like isp.com, so it will wait until the request timeout. Here also will be the same, the result. Yeah, so request timeout, but the campus server we can access. The device that using the wireless one still can access. Yeah. So request timeout www.mu.edu.ny. So these two parts cannot access the ISP resource. It's because we're using the SCL to block the ISP server. So after that, this is the DNS, this is the FTP, and this is the website, the web server. And then I'm going to talking about the FTP. So FTP.com, the username will be Cisco, and also the password will be Cisco. So we can type help to know what we can use. So all the PC can access the FTP. Due to the time, I'm going to settle it inside for a minute, so I'm not going to test so many, but I can confirm that all can access already there inside the guideline. That so this all PC using the DSCP to request the IPv6. It's the random one. And the reason why we use the 3 router and 3 line is because if any line broke out or under maintenance, so they can use another line to transfer data. That's all for my part. Thank you.